Singapore, a tiny island nation in Southeast Asia, stands as a giant on the world economic stage. Despite its compact size, this city-state has managed to carve out a significant presence in the global economy, showcasing a remarkable blend of tradition and modernity. This dynamic city-state boasts a highly developed and diversified economy. From its bustling financial district to its cutting-edge technology parks, Singapore is a testament to what can be achieved with strategic planning and a forward-thinking mindset. Singapore is renowned for its strategic location, world-class infrastructure and business-friendly environment. Its port is one of the busiest in the world, and Changi Airport consistently ranks among the best globally, serving as a major hub for international travel and trade. It serves as a global hub for trade, finance and innovation. The Singapore Exchange is a key player in the financial markets, while the city's banking district is home to numerous multinational banks and financial institutions. Innovation labs and tech startups thrive here, contributing to a vibrant ecosystem of creativity and entrepreneurship. Singapore's success story is a testament to its pragmatic policies, political stability and skilled workforce. The government has implemented policies that encourage economic growth and development while maintaining a stable and secure environment for businesses to flourish. The nation has consistently ranked among the world's most competitive economies. Reports and charts frequently highlight Singapore's top positions in various global indices, reflecting its robust economic health and strategic importance. It attracts multinational corporations, entrepreneurs, and a highly skilled workforce from around the globe. The city's cosmopolitan nature is evident in its diverse professional community, where talent from different parts of the world converge to drive innovation and growth. Singapore continues to reinvent itself, adapting to the ever-changing global landscape. The city is constantly evolving, with new urban development projects and technological advancements that keep it at the forefront of global progress. Singapore's economic prowess is not just about impressive GDP figures, it's about creating a sustainable and inclusive economy that benefits all its residents. Economic conferences and forums held in the city attract thought leaders and policymakers from around the world, fostering dialogue and collaboration on key global issues. It translates into a high standard of living for its residents. The city offers a range of housing options, from luxury apartments to well-planned residential areas, ensuring that everyone can find a place to call home. The iconic Marina Bay Sands area is a popular spot for families and tourists alike, offering a blend of leisure and luxury. The country boasts excellent healthcare, education and public transportation systems. Singapore General Hospital is renowned for its high standards of medical care, while the education system is consistently ranked among the best in the world. The MRT train network is efficient and reliable, making commuting a breeze for residents and visitors. Singapore offers a safe and secure environment, making it an attractive destination for individuals and families alike. The city's low crime rate and well-maintained public spaces contribute to a high quality of life where people can enjoy peace of mind and a sense of community. Whether it's a stroll in the park or a day out in the city, Singapore provides a safe and welcoming environment for all. As we enter 2024, Singapore's economy is poised for continued growth. Experts predict a steady, if moderate, expansion in the coming year. While global uncertainties persist, Singapore is well equipped to navigate these challenges. Several factors contribute to Singapore's positive economic outlook. Its strong fundamentals, including a stable political system and sound fiscal policies, provide a solid foundation. The government's proactive approach to attracting foreign investment and nurturing local businesses fosters a vibrant entrepreneurial ecosystem. Singapore's commitment to innovation and technology is another key driver of growth. The nation is heavily investing in research and development, particularly in areas like fintech, biotech, and artificial intelligence. These strategic investments are positioning Singapore at the forefront of the global knowledge economy. Singapore's economic growth translates into a robust job market with ample opportunities for skilled professionals. Certain sectors are experiencing particularly strong demand, driven by technological advancements and evolving industry landscapes. The technology sector continues its rapid expansion, with high demand for software engineers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts. As Singapore positions itself as a global fintech hub, roles in blockchain, digital payments, and regulatory compliance are also highly sought after. Beyond technology, healthcare is another sector witnessing significant growth. An aging population and a focus on medical tourism are driving demand for doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals. Singapore's world-class healthcare system attracts talent from around the globe. Section 4. Finding your place. Best living areas in Singapore. Singapore offers a diverse range of living environments to suit different lifestyles and budgets. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or someone looking to retire in comfort, Singapore has something to offer everyone. The city-state is known for its clean streets, efficient public transport, and a high standard of living, making it an attractive place to call home. From bustling city centre neighbourhoods to serene suburban enclaves, there's a place for everyone in this vibrant city-state. The city centre is perfect for those who thrive on the energy of urban life, with its skyscrapers, shopping malls, and a plethora of dining options. On the other hand, the suburbs offer a quieter, more relaxed pace of life, ideal for those who prefer tranquility and open spaces. For those seeking a cosmopolitan lifestyle, districts like Orchard Road, Marina Bay, and Sentosa Island offer a mix of luxury residences, high-end shopping, and vibrant nightlife. Orchard Road is famous for its shopping malls and luxury boutiques, making it a shopper's paradise. Marina Bay, with its stunning skyline and iconic landmarks like the Marina Bay Sands, offers a blend of business and leisure. Sentosa Island, known for its luxury resorts and recreational activities, is perfect for those who enjoy a resort-like living experience. These areas provide unparalleled convenience and access to Singapore's most iconic attractions. Living here means you're never far from world-class entertainment, dining, and cultural experiences. The central business district is also nearby, making it an ideal location for professionals who want to minimize their commute. Families with children often gravitate towards suburban areas like Tiong Bahru, Holland Village, and Serangoon Gardens. Tiong Bahru is known for its charming shophouses and trendy cafes, offering a unique blend of old-world charm and modern amenities. Holland Village is a popular choice for expatriates with its vibrant community and diverse dining options. Serangoon Gardens, with its spacious homes and family-friendly facilities, is perfect for those looking for a suburban lifestyle. These neighborhoods offer a more laid-back atmosphere with good schools, parks, and family-friendly amenities. They are ideal for families who want a safe and nurturing environment for their children. The presence of international schools and community centers also makes these areas attractive to expatriate families. They provide a respite from the hustle and bustle of the city center. With plenty of green spaces, playgrounds, and recreational facilities, these suburban areas offer a balanced lifestyle where you can enjoy the best of both worlds. Whether you prefer the excitement of city life or the peace of suburban living, Singapore has a neighborhood that will make you feel right at home. Section 5. Cost of living navigating expenses in the Lion City. Singapore is renowned for its high standard of living, but this comes at a cost. The city-state is often ranked as one of the most expensive places to live in the world. This high cost of living is driven by several factors, including housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. The city-state is known for its high cost of living, particularly when it comes to housing and transportation. Housing in particular is a major expense for residents. Whether you are renting or buying, the prices can be quite steep. Housing is a significant expense in Singapore, with both rental and property purchase prices being among the highest in the world. The demand for housing is high and the supply is limited, which drives up prices. Location, size, and amenities all play a role in determining housing costs. For instance, properties located in prime areas such as the central business district or near popular shopping districts like Orchard Road tend to be more expensive. However, the government provides various housing schemes and grants to make home ownership more accessible to citizens. The Housing and Development Board, HDB, offers subsidized flats to Singaporeans, which can be a more affordable option compared to private housing. Transportation costs can also add up, especially if you rely on private vehicles. Owning a car in Singapore is a luxury due to the high costs associated with it. Singapore has an efficient public transportation system, but car ownership is heavily taxed and regulated. The Certificate of Entitlement (COE) system requires car owners to bid for the right to own and use a vehicle, which can be very expensive. However, the government is investing in expanding and improving public transport options, making it a more attractive alternative. The mass rapid transit MRT system is continuously being upgraded and expanded to cover more areas, providing residents with a reliable and cost-effective means of transportation. Food is another area where expenses can vary greatly. While dining out at high-end restaurants can be costly, Singapore is also famous for its affordable and delicious hawker food. Hawker centres offer a wide variety of local dishes at reasonable prices, making it possible to enjoy good food without breaking the bank. Entertainment and shopping can also contribute to the high cost of living. Singapore is home to numerous shopping malls, entertainment venues, and cultural attractions. While these can be expensive, there are also many free or low-cost activities available, such as visiting public parks, museums, and attending community events. In conclusion, while the cost of living in Singapore is high, there are ways to manage expenses. By taking advantage of government schemes, using public transportation, and enjoying affordable local food and activities, residents can navigate the high costs and enjoy a high standard of living in the Lion City.